If you want to log out of Outlook on PC, there is an important thing to know right away. The Outlook desktop app does not always have a simple sign out button like a website does. Instead, logging out usually means removing your email account from the app settings, which disconnects Outlook from that profile without deleting your emails from the actual mail server. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook, so you can follow the steps that match the version you're using. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, if you're using Classic Outlook, look at the top left corner and click File. This opens the Account and App Settings area. From there, choose Account Settings, then click Account Settings again from the drop-down menu. You should now see a list of the email accounts connected to Outlook. Find the account you want to log out of, click it once to highlight it, and then select Remove. Outlook may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and approve it. Once you remove the account, Outlook disconnects that email profile from the app on your PC. This is the key step that effectively logs you out of Outlook Desktop. Again, this does not delete the emails from your inbox on the mail server, so if you sign back in later, your messages can still sync again. Now, if you're using the new Outlook, the process is slightly different. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon, usually in the top right corner of the window. In the Settings panel, go to Accounts, then select Manage next to the account you want to disconnect. After that, click Remove. Confirm the action if prompted, and the account will be taken out of Outlook on your PC. That is how you log out in the new Outlook interface. If you have multiple accounts added, you can repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. Just be sure you're removing the correct account, especially if you use the same Outlook app for work, school, and personal email. If your goal is to stop using Outlook on this device for a while, removing the account is usually enough. But if you also want extra privacy, you may want to close the app afterward and make sure you're signed out of the Microsoft account on the PC itself if the computer is shared. The main thing to remember is that Outlook Desktop handles logging out through account removal rather than a simple sign out button. So whether you're on Classic Outlook or the new Outlook, the steps are straightforward once you know where to look. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.